Hello everyone. Welcome to One More Thing. I'm Matt. Today we're going to talk about 8 types of money you should spend the poorer you are. In today's society, money seems to be an important measure of one's worth and success, especially when we live in a highly competitive world. However, for some people, money can become a huge burden that prevents them from enjoying life or pursuing their dreams. Many people think that if you are poor then you can only be frugal and not spend. But this is not entirely true. Even on a limited budget, there are some money that are worth spending. That can improve your quality of life, boost your self-confidence, and even help fulfill your dreams. So let's take a look at these 8 types of money to help you manage your finances better and live a richer and more fulfilling life. 1. Education and self-improvement. Why education and self-improvement are worth spending money on. Education and self-improvement are important ways for a person to grow and develop. These investments can help you acquire additional knowledge and skills, making you more valuable and improving your employment opportunities and salary levels. In addition, these investments can help you better understand yourself, discover your potential and interests, and thus find more meaningful and challenging work. How can you invest in your own education and skills development? 1. Learn new skills. Learning new skills can make you more competitive and improve your employment opportunities and salary levels. You can enroll in online courses, attend professional training, or study on your own. 2. Improve existing skills. Continuously improving existing skills can make you more professional and help increase your salary. Take advanced courses, attend workshops, or learn from peers. 3. Cultivate creativity. Cultivating creativity can help you solve problems better, improve your work efficiency and innovation ability. Take art classes, read, attend creative workshops and more. 4. Participate in community events. Participating in community events allows you to interact with people from different backgrounds and increase your social skills and network. Volunteering, community service, clubs, etc. can be done. 5. Reading and self-study. Reading and self-study are an affordable method of self-improvement that can help you acquire more knowledge and skills. You can read books, online articles, watch instructional videos, etc. 2. Health and diet. Why are health and diet important? Health and diet are important factors in maintaining physical and mental health. A healthy body and mind allow you to face life's challenges with more positive energy, while also improving your productivity and well-being. Unhealthy diet and lifestyle can increase the risk of disease, reduce the quality of life, and may even lead to fatal diseases. How to eat healthy food, avoid getting sick and maintain a healthy weight. 1. Choose healthy foods. Choose fresh, organic, pesticide-free, and additive-free foods such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, protein, and healthy fats. 2. Diet control. Control the amount of food and calorie intake. Avoid overeating or overeating, and avoid excessive intake of sugar, salt and saturated fat. 3. Increase the amount of exercise. Proper exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, and it can also strengthen your heart and lung function and immune system. 4. Avoid smoking and drinking. Smoking and drinking increase the risk of disease and are harmful to your health. 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep can help you restore your mind and body, boost your immune system and regulate your weight. 6. Increase the amount of water you drink. Proper water intake can help you maintain your body's water balance, and it can also help flush out toxins and waste from your body. 3. Basic necessities. What are basic necessities? Basic necessities refer to goods and services that are indispensable in daily life, such as food, water, housing, clothing, healthcare, education, transportation and communication, etc. These goods and services are necessary for people to maintain their basic survival needs, and they are something that everyone needs to have. How to choose and buy basic necessities within a budget. 1. Determine your budget. First, you need to determine your budget and spending capacity. This can help you determine which basic necessities you can afford. 2. Make a list of essentials. Make a list of all the basic necessities of life, including food, water, housing, clothing, healthcare, education, transportation and communication, etc. This will help you understand which ones are must-buys. 3. Compare prices and quality. Compare the prices and quality of different brands and stores before buying basic necessities. This helps you choose the most affordable, high-quality products and services. 4. Save money. When you choose to buy basic necessities, you can also try to save money. such as choosing cheap food, using water saver, choosing public transportation, and so on. 5. Saving and investing. When you have enough for your basic necessities, consider saving and investing the rest of your money to achieve your long-term financial goals. 4. Emergency fund. Why do you need an emergency fund? An emergency fund is a reserve of money for unplanned expenses and unexpected situations, such as medical bills, job loss, family emergencies, or accidental damage. These situations can negatively impact your financial situation, and an emergency fund can help you deal with these unexpected expenses, while also reducing your financial stress and anxiety. How to save an emergency fund on budget. 1. Determine your target amount. First, you need to determine how much money you need as an emergency fund. And it is usually recommended to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. 2. Make a budget. Make a reasonable budget and make sure you can save a certain amount every month. When creating a budget, you need to consider your income and expenses, prioritizing saving for an emergency fund. 3. Automatic savings. Set up automatic transfers or automatic debits to automatically transfer the monthly savings amount to the emergency fund account, which ensures that you can save funds every month. 4. Reduce expenses. Reduce unnecessary expenses, such as reducing expenses on eating out, entertainment and shopping, etc. This can help you reach your savings goals faster. 5. Find extra income. Find extra income to help you save your emergency fund, such as selling unwanted items, starting a side business, finding an extra job, etc. 5. Traffic. Why is transportation a necessary expense? Transportation expenses are a necessary expense in life as it helps us reach our destinations and complete our daily tasks and activities. Without transportation, we might not be able to commute to get off work, shop, pick up the kids, or attend social events, etc. Therefore, transportation expenses are necessary expenditures, which have an important impact on our life and work. How to choose the right mode of transportation within the budget. 1. Determine the destination. First, you need to determine the destination you are going to. This can help you choose the most suitable mode of transportation. 2. Compare costs. Compare the costs of different modes of transportation, including public transport, cycling, walking, private car or rental car, etc. This will help you choose the most economical mode of transportation. 3. Consider time. Consider the time cost of different modes of transportation. Some modes of transportation may take longer but offer greater savings. And some modes of transportation may cost more money, but save more time. 4. Consider convenience. Consider the convenience and safety of different modes of transportation. For example, some places may not be easy to get to, or some modes of transportation may not be safe. You need to consider these factors when choosing your mode of transportation. 5. Subscribe to a transportation card. If you often use public transportation, you can subscribe to a transportation or commuter card. This can help you save money on transportation while enjoying other benefits and conveniences. 6. Social activities. Why is it important to communicate with friends and family? Connecting with friends and family is an important element of good mental health. Socializing can help us reduce stress, enhance social skills, foster emotional connection, increase well-being and improve quality of life. In addition, regular participation in social activities can also expand your social circle and build more relationships, which is very important for personal and professional development. How to socialize on a budget. 1. Create a budget. First, you need to determine the budget you can spend on social activities. Having a reasonable budget can help you manage your finances while also allowing you to better plan and schedule social events. 2. Find free or low-cost events. Find free or low-cost social events such as picnics in the park, family dinners, outdoor sports, free walks, etc. This helps you socialize with friends and family without spending too much money. 3. Share the cost. If you are going to participate in some activities that require payment, consider sharing the cost with friends and family. This allows everyone to share the cost while also making the social interaction fun. 4. Choose an affordable restaurant. If you plan to dine at a restaurant with friends and family, choose an affordable restaurant. This helps you enjoy great food and social interaction without breaking the bank. 5. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Reduce unnecessary expenses, such as shopping, entertainment and travel, so that more budget can be reserved for social activities. 7. Support charity. Why support charity? Supporting a charity is a rewarding act because it helps those in need in the community. Donating to charity can help ameliorate social problems such as poverty, disease, lack of education, and environmental damage. Additionally, supporting charitable causes can help you meet your own values and ethics, and can make you feel more meaningful and fulfilled. How to support philanthropy on a budget. 1. Create a budget. First, you need to determine the budget you can use to support charitable causes. Having a reasonable budget can help you manage your finances, while also allowing you to better plan and organize your giving. 2. Select a charity. Find charities that interest you and determine if their mission and goals align with your values and ethical standards. This can make you more motivated and willing to support their work. 3. Share donations. If your budget is limited, consider sharing donations with friends and family. This allows everyone to share the cost, while also increasing trust and an emotional bond. 4. Choose an appropriate donation method. Choose an appropriate donation method, such as direct donation, regular donation, donation of materials, etc. Choosing a giving method that works for you can allow you to better manage your finances while also giving you more motivation and willingness to support charitable causes. 5. Attend charity events. Attending charity events can help you gain a deeper understanding of philanthropy while also increasing social interaction and feeling your impact. You can attend charity walks, fundraising galas, volunteer events, and more. 8. Basic entertainment. Why are basic recreational activities important? Basic recreational activities refer to entertainment methods in daily life, such as reading, watching movies, listening to music, exercising, traveling, etc. These activities can help us reduce stress, enhance our physical and mental health, increase our sense of well-being, expand our knowledge and increase our social interactions. Basic recreational activities can also help us achieve a better life-work balance and improve work efficiency and productivity. How to do basic entertainment on a budget. 1. Create a budget. First, you need to determine the budget you can spend on basic entertainment. Having a reasonable budget can help you manage your finances while also allowing you to better plan and organize your entertainment. 2. Find free or low-cost activities. Find free or low-cost recreational activities, such as reading a book from the public library, watching a movie at home, walking in the park, or riding a bike. This can help you enjoy entertainment without spending too much money. 3. Subscriptions to entertainment services. Subscriptions to entertainment services allow you to enjoy more entertainment activities at a lower cost, such as Netflix, Spotify, Kindle Unlimited, etc. Before subscribing to an entertainment service, you need to make sure you can afford the monthly fee. 4. Share the cost with friends and family. If you want to participate in some entertainment that requires payment, consider sharing the cost with friends and family. This allows everyone to share the cost while also making the social interaction fun. 5. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Reduce unnecessary expenses, such as reducing shopping, reducing eating out, reducing travel and other expenses, so that more budget can be set aside for basic entertainment activities. Financial management is a very important topic in our daily life. Good financial management can help us achieve our goals, improve our quality of life, reduce financial stress, and increase our sense of security and freedom. This article provides some financial management advice and tips for everyday spending, saving, investing, insurance, retirement saving, philanthropy, and basic recreation. These tips and tricks can help us manage our finances better and live a better life. In short, good financial management requires us to start from small things, starting from daily expenditure control and savings, and gradually establish our own financial planning. At the same time, we also need to maintain a positive attitude and continuous learning to further improve our financial knowledge and skills. We hope the financial management advice and tips in this article will help you manage your finances better, achieve your goals, and live a richer and happier life. If you have any questions or suggestions about financial management, please leave a message below, and we will try our best to answer you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.